Hi, in the series of calendar lectures, in this session, we need to understand what are the different types of problems. Okay, type number 1, finding the days when the other days is given. Okay, you need to find out some clue was there, finding the days when the other days was given. Type 2, find the days when other days were not given. They will give only one particular date, you need to figure it out. And the third type is you need to match the calendar. Okay, they'll ask you 2020, the same calendar will repeat after how many years? So this is very, very important. 3 variety of questions. Let's try to figure out what are those varieties. So let's try to find out question number 1. Okay, if 17th March 2008 was Sunday, what was 1st April 2012? Okay, 2012. Guys, first you need to understand and you need to do the total number of odd days from 17th March 2008 to 1st April. Okay, we need to find out 17th March, okay, 2008 to, okay, 17th March 2012, because you can see here complete years. Okay, and we have another, let's say there are some extra days were there, we need to figure that as later. So 2008 is a leap year. So leap year will have how many odd days? 2 odd days. 2009 is a normal year, 1 odd day. 2010 is a normal year, 1 odd day. 2011 is again a normal year which will have 1 odd day. Guys, 2012 is completed? No, 2012 is not completed. So you cannot take directly in 2012 there are 2 odd days. Okay, so till here first you need to figure it out. Total how many odd days are there? 2, 3, 4, 5 odd days are there. Okay, 5 odd days are there till 2000. Okay, so how many odd days were there? I can say definitely there are 5 odd days were there. So now the point is this. Guys, this is very, very important point. 17th March 2008 was what? Sunday. Okay, and 17th March 2012 is 5 days more than Sunday, which means Sunday plus 5 days. Okay, if you are going to add how many? Sunday plus 5 days. So Sunday plus 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that day is going to be what? Friday. Okay, this Friday is what? This particular date, 17th March 2012. Okay, but you need on which day? 1st April 2012. Okay, 1st April 2012. So till Friday, how many days extra you have? 17th to 1st April. March will have how many days? 30 days. Okay, so there are extra 15 days you have. Okay, so Friday plus 15 days. Okay, Friday plus 15 days is going to be what? Saturday. Okay, how I am telling? When you divide this 15 with 7, you will left with only 1, because 7 2s are 14. You left with what? Only 1. So it's going to be Friday plus 1 extra day. That's going to be what? That's going to be what here? Saturday. Okay, that's going to be what here? Saturday. So you will get your answer. So if 17th March 2008 was Sunday, what was 1st April 2012? So that's going to be, answer is going to be what? Saturday. Okay, answer is going to be what? Saturday. Okay, Saturday is going to be your answer. So this is how you need to calculate your answer. Let's try to answer one more question. So these type of questions are being asked in, a lot of examinations like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini and ICET examinations. Guys, if today is Sunday, what will be the day on 8,400th day? Guys, it's look like pretty big question, but there is nothing to do about it. Guys, if today is Sunday, then 7th day from today is also Sunday. 14th day is also Sunday. Okay, 21st day is also Sunday. Okay, 2100th day is also Sunday, because all are 7 multiples. So is 8400 is a 7 multiple? Yes. So 8400th day is also what? Sunday. So these points are very, very important. Okay, so a lot of people look at this question and they'll skip. We can't figure it out. But the logic is what? If today is Sunday, if today is Monday, after 7 days it's Monday. If today is Friday, after 7 days it's going to be Friday. Okay, so 8400 is a 7 multiple? Yes. So 8400 is also on which day? So that's going to be what? Sunday only. So these are the type number 1 questions. Okay, hope everybody understood this particular question. Let's try to solve, find the days when other day is not given. It's a popular question. What day of the week was 15th August 1947? Okay, 1947. Guys, it's very easy. This is an easy question. Okay, a lot of questions definitely will ask you in this method only. So point number 1. What day of the week? 15th August 1947. Okay, please follow my steps. Definitely you can get your answer very easily. Okay, step number 1. Step number 1. Think about complete years. Is 1947 is completed? No. When 1947 is going to be completed? 31st December, then only 1947 is going to be completed. So can I conclude? The completed years are going to be 1946. Yeah. So step number 1, you need to understand the complete years are 1946. Guys, it's all about odd days only. So better to split these years. Okay, that is step number 2. Okay, try to split 1946. First, you need to find out how many odd days were there till 1946. Okay, so till 1946, how many odd days were there? I don't know. I cannot calculate for every year. But I know every 400 years will have 0 odd days. So can I write this 1946 as 1900 plus 46? Yes. Can I write my 1900 as 1600 plus 300 plus 46? Yeah, why I am writing? Because 1600 years will have 0 odd days, 300s will have 1 odd day, 46 years will have how many odd days? Okay, because this is from our table. 1600 0 odd days, 300 1 odd day, 46. But in this 46 there are some normal years and there are some leap years. Now I am going to tell you one trick. Guys, normal year will have how many odd days? 1. Leap year will have how many odd days? 2. Guys, essentially, whether it is a normal year or leap year, definitely you will have 1 odd day for sure. So the point is this. 46 years will have 46 odd days. Guys, what is the problem here? If it is a leap year, I will have one extra day. Okay, so try to figure out how many leap years are there in 46 years. Just divide with 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, I left with 6. 4 ones are 4, I left with what? 2. Okay, guys, I always told you, when you are dividing with 4, concentrate on quotient. I can say there are 11 leap years, which means there are 11 extra odd days. Okay, so if you add all the odd days here, 46, so 11, 47 plus 1. So I can say there are total 48 odd days. Okay, there are total 48 odd days are there till 1946. Okay, after, try to figure out all the odd days, then divide with 7. That's going to be very easy. Okay, yeah. Till 1946 it got completed. I got 48 odd days. And after that I have to calculate till 15th of August. So the point number 1 is this. January is going to have 31 days. Will have 3 odd days. February. Take a moment and ask yourself a question. Is 1947 is a leap year? No. So when 1947 is not a leap year, it will have how many days? 28 days. So it's going to be 0 odd days. March, it will have 30 days and it's going to be how many odd days? 2 odd days. Okay, next April. Guys, March, how many days will be there? March is going to be 31 days, right? Yeah, March is going to be 31 days. There are 3 odd days. April is going to be 30 days because there are 2 odd days. May is going to be 31 days. So there are 3 odd days. June is going to be 30 days. There are 2 odd days. Next July. July is going to be 31 days. There are again 3 odd days. So, when you are calculating the present month, which is 15th of August, if the August is completed, I can say there are 3 odd days, because in August there are 31 days. I can say there are 3 odd days, but August is completed? No. So in August, you have to take the number of days, the date, so 15th. So the point is this. So now you have to add all the numbers. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. So 16 plus 15, it's going to be 31. So with months, I got 31 odd days, but all odd days below 7 only. So the total odd days are going to be what here? The total odd days are going to be 48 plus 31. So I can say it's going to be 79 odd days. Totally I got how many odd days? 79 odd days. So simply divide this 79 with what? 7. Okay. 7 ones are 7. Okay. 7 11s are 77. I left with what here? 2. Guys, if you look at here there are not 48 odd days, because I treat this as 1. That's why we got 46, 47, 48. No. So 46 plus 11 plus 1. So this is going to be what? 8, 58. So I have to add how much here? 10 extra. Okay, when it is 58, it's going to be 89. When it is 89, so 7 ones are 7, so I left with 19. When 7 twos are 14, I left with what? 5. When I left with how many odd days? 5 odd days. When it is 5 odd days, okay, it's going to be which day? When it is 5 odd days, it's going to be which day? Friday. Okay, it's going to be which day here? Friday. So this is how you need to get your answer. But I can tell you, you don't need to do all these calculation if you know one simple trick. Okay, that we will see in the next video, because I want to complete all the guys. Definitely I can assure that definitely we are going to solve the questions without calculating all these things. I am going to tell you one simple trick that will help you to answer these particular questions very easily. Okay, let's try to solve the one more question, which is the type number 3. Okay, matching the calendar. So these type of questions being asked in TCS, okay, CTS and Wipro and Capgemini. How to handle these type of questions, guys? Which year in the future will have the same calendar exactly as 2009? Guys, guys, the point is this: if the total number of odd days between any years is 0, okay, any years is 0, or it's a multiple of 7, then those 2 years will have the same calendar. Okay, those 2 years will have the same calendar. Let's try it. I'm going to try to explain you this. 2009 is a leap year? No, non-leap year, which is having 1 day. 2010, 2 days. 2011, 3 days. 2011, no. Guys, 2009 will have 1 odd day. Okay, 2010 is also have 1 odd day. 2011 is also have 1 odd day. 2012 will have how many odd days? 2. 2013 will have how many odd days? 1. Guys, hang on for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2014 will also, because 2014 is a non-leap year, so definitely it's going to have 1 day only. Guys, if you calculate, the total number of days are what? 7. Can I say the total number of days are 7? 7 is a multiple of 7 itself. So what's going to be the next year? 2015. So whatever the calendar you have to the 2009, so the same calendar is going to have for the year 2015. Okay, the same calendar is going to have for the year 2015. Okay, 2015, guys. Okay, so the point is this here. Hence, 2015 will be the same calendar as 2009. Okay, so guys, I am going to tell you one trick here. Guys, look at here. Plus 11, plus 6 and plus 28. Guys, always remember, if the given year is leap year, definitely after 28 years only the same calendar will repeat. Let's say somebody will tell you, if 2012, the same calendar will repeat after how many years? Okay, just add 28 to this. So that's going to be what? 0, 1. So on 2040, the same calendar is going to repeat for sure. And whenever somebody asks you for non-leap years, okay, for non-leap years, okay, let's say like this, 2009, after how many years the same calendar is going to repeat? So please add first 11. Please add 11. I will tell you the trick. 20, 20. Okay, but 2020 is a leap year, right? Okay, once you got 2020 is a leap year, just cancel this and add plus 6. Okay, 2015 is a leap year? No, because ordinary years will have the same calendar, ordinary year only. If 2009 is a normal year, 2020, how the leap year is going to come? So just add 11 to that. If you are getting a leap year, cancel it and just add 6, you will get your answer. So matching the calendar, 3 important points. Leap year will have after 28 years, so plus 28. And non-leap years, first add 11. If you are getting a leap year, just add 6 to that year. That's it. That's going to be answer for your questions. Okay. Hope everybody understood the matching calendar. Okay. So thanks for being in the session. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.